Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your YouTube profile picture on Safari. To do so, firstly, go to Safari. Then, once it opens, tap on the search box below. Then, type youtube.com and tap on Go. Once your YouTube opens, you may see that you've already logged in. However, if you're not logged in yet, you may log into your account. Then, to change your YouTube profile, click on your profile picture on the top right corner of your screen beside the search icon. Here, you can look at your account details. To change your profile picture, go to Manage your Google account. This opens to your Google account page. Here, tap on your profile. Then, you can see the Add Profile Picture button below. Tap on that. Then you may see a list of photos which are suggested by Google to put up as your profile picture. You may scroll and choose one according to your liking. However, you may also choose one of your device photos if you want to. To do so, tap on Device Photos beside the illustrations. Then you may tap on Continue to upload a picture or take a photo. However, here I'm using the illustrations itself according to my liking. Once I choose a picture that I want to put up as my profile picture, then there are a few suggestions like presets. Here you can choose your color gradings that you want. Other than that, Google gives you an option to change the colors according to your liking, like the walls, the skin tone, the jewelry, and others. You may also crop and rotate the profile picture according to your liking. If you're satisfied, then you may tap on Next. Then Google sends a notification asking for your confirmation to change to your new profile picture. Furthermore, Google also informs you right below your profile picture stating that it might take a day or two to make changes across all your Google services. Once you're sure that you want to change the profile picture, tap on Save as Profile Picture button. Then, once it loads completely, it is set as a profile picture. Additionally, Google also sends a tiny notification on the bottom notifying you that the profile has been updated. Then you may go back to your Google account and see if your account has changed the profile picture or not. Furthermore, to check on YouTube, you may go to YouTube and try to refresh your page. If it hasn't, as Google notified before, it might take a day or two to make changes. So you may check your YouTube account in a day or two to see if your profile has been changed or not. This is how you can easily change your YouTube profile picture on Safari. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.